very frustrated sapagkat tinamaan sa tuhod and they didn't want to risk it, I guess. 3 seconds remaining. Cyrus Baguio. With 1.3 seconds to go, we are tied. Sets up Adriano. Red Bull is in the lead dito po sa overtime period.
Can they sustain? Can they still keep it up?
Ano nangyari dito? Best of 3 na.
It is round 5 of this bruising series between two tough teams. And in Game 4 ay nagpakita na po, nagpalipad na itong si Cyrus Baguio. In fact, he forced that game into overtime and eventually led Red Bull to the victory. James Yap naman was grounded. Hindi na po naglaro sa dulo ng ball game. Hindi na nakita ng Pure Foods ang kanilang fans. It's a mystery whether or not he will be 100% tonight. Ang balita po namin, he will be playing. Ang tanong, how good will he be in tonight's crucial ball game with his best-of-7 series tied at 2 games apiece. Magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. This is the PBA semifinals on ABC. Miko Halili kasama si Jason Webb.
Well, this is Game 5. Alam natin dito yung Game 5. This is cut down to a 3-game series. And you get that first victory, Miko. Almost close to 70%, above 70%. The teams that win Game 5 move on to win the series.
I don't doubt that because it puts so much pressure on the team that is left behind. Ngayon, balikan po natin ang ating kartada dito sa ating best-of-7 series. Pure Foods had an emphatic win in Game 1, and then Red Bull answered back in Game 2. And Game 3, Pure Foods 99-90 performance. Every time Pure Foods win, Kirby Raimundo is the star of the show. And for Red Bull, every time Cyrus Baguio shows up, then Red Bull has a very great chance of winning.
Both players seem to be the key players para sa kanilang koponan. Of course, Kirby Raimundo making a run for best player of the conference. Cyrus Baguio having his best season, best conference so far as a professional.
And so, ito ang ating webpage. We click on the webpage para lalo natin mapaghandaan itong nalalapit na Game 5 matchup.
Well, unahin natin ang Red Bull established the postgame in Game 4. What they did, they went to Sharma early. He scored 8 points. Now, this forced the Pure Foods defense to adjust. Yung outside at inside the offense ng Red Bull, nirespeto bigla ng Pure Foods. Next is to run and score. In Game 3, itong Red Bull had 10 attempts in fast break, only 5 points. Game 4, same number of attempts, but they had 15 points. So important for them to score when they run. Finally, a better rebounding effort for the series. Itong Red Bull is down 13 less rebounds compared to Pure Foods. I think they have to do a better job of that because you can't really have that big a difference in rebounds and hope to continue to win.
You're just trying to be lucky.
Exactly.
If you get beat up on the boards. Ito naman ang webpage for Pure Foods.
Take care of the basketball in their wins. Itong Pure Foods only averages 14 turnovers. In the losses, ang laki ng tinataas yan, up to 20 turnovers a ball game. Sumunod, control the Red Bull guards. Napag-usapan na natin si Cyrus Baguio. But remember, Junti Valenzuela is their fourth quarter man, and Kiko Adriano has been the revelation in this series. Both guys, all three guys, are the only guys averaging double figures for the Red Bull squad. Finally get the superstars going, Miko. Kirby Raimundo, James Yap, averaging about 20 points a ball game. Alam natin ang nangyari kay James Yap. Last game, only 10 points. In the first quarter, didn't play after that. Kirby Raimundo, he played the entire game, but only 14 points.
And for more on James Yap, here's Dominic Uy.
Gaya nga ng sinabi mo, Jason, itong si James Yap, they need to get him started early. Kaya naman, he will start out in this ball game. Nakausap ko siya earlier. Ang nangyari sa kanya, hindi naman yung tuhod niya ang na-injure. Ang na-injure sa kanya yung kanyang groin muscle. Sabi niya, masakit. Pero alam naman natin, ito si Big Game James shows up for the big games. Kaya naman, he's showing up today. At kahit na gaano kasakit itong kanyang injury, he's not 100%, ay maglalaro siya. Makikita natin na nabitin itong si James Yap last game. Only scored 10 points in 10 minutes. Kaya naman, he's going to start in today's game. Dahil alam natin, pag medyo may iniinda ka, maganda, nagagaling ka dun sa warm-up. So we'll see kung gaano kagaling si James Yap in today's ballgame. Miko?
Well, you know, pag kulang yung wanted 1-2 punch ng Pure Foods, nabibigyan ng pag-asang mga kalaban and really gives headaches for Coach Ryan Gregorio. para naman kay Coach Yeng Yao, you'll never know who's going to show up and steal the show. Could be Baguio, it could be Jundy Valenzuela. What about Kiko Adriano? In Game 4, hit some crucial shots para sa Red Bull. At any rate, Game 5 is underway, and Celino Cruz will miss the first attempt of the ball game, and it will stay with Red Bull. And let's just go over the primary protagonists. Para sa Red Bull, sila ay naka-fighting red. Celino Cruz, Nick Penisi, Kairos Baguio, the hitman Jundy Valenzuela, and Paulo Budia. Para sa Pure Foods, it's Noy Castillo, James Yap, Ray Evangelista, Kirby Raimundo, and the General Romel Aduco.
Ray Evangelista, surprise starter para dito sa Pure Foods, and that's what he does well. He's an excellent defensive player, of course, high basketball IQ. At ito si Ray Evangelista, he's gone through everything with the Pure Foods team.
Here's Kirby Raimundo and Ray Evangelista, the veteran para sa Pure Foods. Raimundo on the move. And, you know, Raimundo has been the biggest headache for Red Bull in terms of matchups.
Kirby Raimundo, too fast for the big men of Red Bull. Pag nilalagyan naman siya ng maliit, obviously Kirby Raimundo can post him up. You know, everything it seems is revolving around Kirby Raimundo sa seryeng ito. Kirby Raimundo, of course, he is right now #1 in scoring for their team in the semifinals. Siya rin yung #1 sa assist. So, a lot of things really go through ito si Kirby Raimundo.
First 2 points of the ball game belong to Kirby Raimundo. Red Bull looking for their first basket. Of Game 5, Baguio, Cruz, Penisi, Celino Cruz from the corner.
Rico, you talk about adjustments. You look at Pure Foods right now. First couple of sets, hindi natin madalas makita to. They are starting the game with the zone just to change things up para sa kanilang team.
Here's James Yap. That might answer your question. Kung 100% nga, itong si James Carlos Yap, that was a smooth move to the basket. And it's a 4-0 ball game. And Penisi fires. Nice cold start here so far para sa Red Bull Barako.
All their shots coming from the outside. They've taken 2 3-pointers, tapos yung isa, mid-range shot mula kay Celino Cruz. No one really attacking the basket.
Well, that was Kirby attacking the basket with impunity, and he now has 4 points in the ball game. More importantly, it's a 6-0 game.